In this video, we'll work through several addition expressions one by one. For each expression, we'll write the expression itself, choose a form or grouping that makes mental arithmetic easier, then illustrate the calculation on a number line. Problem 6. Let's evaluate 51 plus 9 plus 17 is equal to 77. First, we'll write the expression itself. Then we'll choose a form to make arithmetic easier. Finally, we'll illustrate the calculation on a number line. Final answer. 51 plus 9 plus 17 is equal to 77. Recap. For each expression, we wrote the original expression, chose a form that made the mental arithmetic simpler, and illustrated the addition using cumulative jumps on a number line. Practice these strategies, grouping to make round numbers and visualizing with number lines to build fluency